In a significant move, Sanbor Shullai, the member of the Legislative Assembly representing 19th South Shillong Constituency, together with key figures from the BJP in Meghalaya, have reached a consensus to back Dr. Fenelait Nonglait as the party's nominee for the upcoming 2024 MP elections. The delegation formally conveyed their endorsement by submitting a letter of support to the president of the Meghalaya State BJP, Rikman Momin. Addressing the press post-meeting, Shullai disclosed that thus far only two individuals, namely former party president Ernest Mauri and Dr. Fenelait Nonglait, have sought party nominations. Reports regarding the candidacy of the MLA of Penthorba, A.L. Heck, have surfaced, but nothing concrete has been confirmed. Shullai emphasized the importance of citizens rallying behind the BJP, citing potential benefits, particularly in youth employment opportunities.
Mauri, I told him, so he said what to do. I have already given my application. So it depends on the need. So I told him, oh, okay, this we will meet. So I'll try to convince him to withdraw. And by heck also I'm going today to request him also to send a letter of support to Dr. Fenelait like I have given. Then only by working together, my appeal that we have to, it should be our collective responsibility. We'll work, we can bash together, we'll go and spend our time to meet our candidate, win the election. And once the BJP candidate wins, it means the win of each and every youth, both male, female, boys, girls, and to all the people of Khasi Jantia region, they'll be benefited. They should give BJP a chance. 5 years, you just watch and see. Give a chance and watch and see what is the development, what is the interest you'll be getting by supporting by electing the BJP candidate for the Lok Sabha. Dr. Fenelait I the statement should be press, but for no doubt, Dr. Fenelait he job kum MP. Berarti hangtai kanang sorkar BJP kanya say. Ngiru nya lelang manyakran gini issues ka bengi yakran na kapor itu Fenelait ilara bun issues. Kibrang sateng. Ilakan sa press beri media. Kadalong ka golden opportunity kakabuk share. Ya kipat kasi jantia daki jet tak BJP. Kerang ba kini ki issues. Mo kini ki jingdawa ke belas lem ke belas akut. Tegumerkan suk bahaya Dr. Fenelait kam tambi dei long ko bi. Ban iradon me hapo Delhi temut lala ke ben perolong itaki ke boro. Tehlan bi pa ba degi we ko pelai ko kongres san slim leyu long MP tham yo jing mentua itu issues ke bagi pajba ke NGOs ke dawa ki sakut san senem sipau senem